Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to make a lamp, a coloured lamp. So we're going to start by taking the sides down, and for this we are using tools from Easy Wood Tools, and they are all have a negative rake on them. Not only that, but they will be listed down below in the description. So right now we are just making a tenon. I'm going to carry on making them sides nice and flat, and there you go. So we've got it held in the chuck now, and we're going to carry on flattening the sides. Alright, okay, so now we are going to make a mortise. This is going to double as half of the space for where the light is going to go. So they're hogging it out now using the number 1 hollower. Flattening everything off with a rougher. And now with the detailer so it matches the angles of the jaws in the chuck. And we're just giving it a quick check. There we go, so I've finished the inside of that mortise off camera. And now we're going to get out any wobble that may be there. And then we're going to start by shaping it. And we're going to dome the end. Alright, so now we're just going to clear up now where the tailstock was. Clear up with that little nubbin. We're going to use the rougher for that. Obviously still sticking with the negative rake. And there you go. Alright, so I'm just going to sand up to 240 grit here. There we go. Bit of compressed air. Bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol, get rid of any of that dust. Giving it a quick look, see what it's going to look like. And now some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You just wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel. There we go, last few wipes. There you go. And that is the Yorkshire Grit Microfine. So exactly the same as the original, you just wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel. There we go, last few wipes. There we go, and obviously give myself another quick look. Alright, so now we're going to make a base out of a piece of lime. So we're going to quickly make a mortise. And now we've switched back to the original cutters now. So we've these are the standard ones, not the negative rake. And we're making everything flat now with the rougher. And with the detailer, matching the angles of the jaws and the chuck. And now we're flattening everything off and making it round. And there you go. Alright, so now we're just going to sand to 240 grit. Clean it all off with some methylated spirits. Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Exactly the same as on the resin, you wipe it all over till you have a clean paper towel. And now some Hampshire Sheen microcrystalline wax. You wipe this all over, turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and buff it in. Be careful not to push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. And there you go. Alright, so now we're just going to mark out for where the lamp is going to go. Going to use the detailer, just define it, and we're going to clear it all out. Use the rougher to flatten it all off. There we go. So now we're going to mark out where the lamp is going to go. Or the light source. There we go, and now we're going to clean that out, remembering that there is a mortise on the other side, so being careful not to join that up and go through the bottom. There we go, just cleaning up that rim there, and there we go. And back to sanding. So we're going to go to 240 grit here. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. And some Hampshire Sheen finishing wax. There you go. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.